Hello, I am Zoe Abubedu. In today's edition of City News Daily, the Metropolitan Chief Executive of the Kumasi Metropolitan Assembly, Kojo Bonsu, resigns following agitations by chiefs. Details of this and more coming up on City News Daily on City TV. Embattled Metropolitan Chief Executive of Kumasi, Kojo Bonsu, has resigned. The Kumasi Traditional Council had called for his resignation after reports he unilaterally removed the Mwamamhene Nana Ejenim Boateng from KJTL Market Project Board without informing the Santehene Otumfuo Osei Tutu II. A letter announcing his resignation expressed his gratitude to the president for the opportunity to serve the people of Kumasi. Journalists came under some heavy attack from sympathizers of Muntie FM's host Salifu Mase, popularly known as Mugabe, at the Supreme Court today. Mugabe was summoned to the Supreme Court together with owners of Muntie FM and two panelists for contempt of court. Photojournalists and other reporters who were at the court to cover the hearing of the case came under attack when they attempted taking video footage of the embattled journalist Mugabe. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has adjourned the contempt case against owners of the Accra-based radio station Muntie FM and three others to July 18, 2016. A Ghanaian citizen, Edward Ado, appeared in court today indicating that he was representing the rest of the owners of the station, but the justices insisted the owners themselves must appear before the court for the hearing to proceed. The court has therefore been adjourned to the 18th of July 2016 to allow the rest of the directors to appear before them. Two men accused of assaulting some teachers of the St. John's School at Newtown have been sentenced to 12 months imprisonment with hard labor. A third suspect is currently on the run. The men pleaded guilty to various counts of conspiracy and assault. They assaulted 5 teachers for caning a female student. The female student at the center of the controversy has also been found guilty for conspiring with the convicts and yet to be sentenced by the juvenile court. The Nima Divisional Police Commander ACP Nuhu Jango says the police would ensure that the third suspect is apprehended. And finally, the Accra chapter of the Concerned Women of Ghana and a group of other women have taken to the streets of Accra demanding an immediate apology from the Sin Central Member of Parliament, Kennedy Ejapong. The women marched through some principal streets of Accra, including the Evans Atta Mills High Street, and converged on Parliament House to present a petition to the Speaker of Parliament. Kennedy Ejapong is alleged to have said that the Electoral Commissioner, Charlotte Osei, got her position through some sexual favors she granted. The women say Kennedy Ejapong must apologize. And that's how we end today's edition of City News Daily on City TV with me, Zoe Abubedu. Thank you for watching.